Our Earth is a sphere, a beautiful blue and green ball floating in space. From space, the first thing we see is blue. Blue because water covers most of the Earth's surface. This water is the ocean, a vast and deep body. The rest of Earth's surface is land, the continents where we live. The Earth's surface is an amazing place. It is a world of contrasts, with towering mountains and deep ocean trenches. Lush forests cover parts of the land, while vast deserts stretch across others. The oceans are teeming with life, from tiny plankton to giant whales. We live on the land, but the oceans are just as important to our planet. They help to regulate the climate and provide us with food and resources. The oceans are also home to a stunning array of plants and animals, many of which are still being discovered. Understanding how our planet works is essential for our survival. By learning about the Earth's oceans and continents, we can better appreciate the delicate balance of life on Earth. We can also learn how to protect our planet for future generations. The continents might seem fixed in place, but they are actually in constant motion. This movement is incredibly slow, happening over millions of years. The continents move because they are floating on top of the Earth's mantle, a layer of hot, molten rock. This movement is called continental drift. The Earth's outer layer, the lithosphere, is broken into several large plates. These plates move and interact with each other, causing earthquakes, volcanoes, and the formation of mountains. This process is known as plate tectonics. The continents have been drifting for billions of years. This movement has shaped the Earth's surface, creating the continents and oceans we see today. The continents continue to move today, although at a very slow pace. The theory of plate tectonics helps us understand how the Earth's surface is constantly changing. It explains the formation of mountains, the occurrence of earthquakes, and the distribution of volcanoes across the globe. Billions of years ago, the Earth's surface was a hot, molten mass. As the Earth cooled, the surface solidified to form the first continents. These early continents were much smaller than the continents we know today. Over millions of years, these small continents collided and joined together. This process is called accretion. As continents collided, mountain ranges were pushed up at the edges. The Himalayas, for example, were formed by the collision of India and Asia. The continents continued to collide and break apart over millions of years. This process created the familiar shapes of the continents we see today. The continents are still moving today, although very slowly. The formation of continents is a continuous process. The Earth's surface is constantly changing, and new land masses are still being formed today. Oceans cover over 70% of the Earth's surface. They are vast and deep, holding 97% of the Earth's water. Oceans play a vital role in supporting life on Earth. They regulate the climate, provide oxygen, and are home to a vast array of plants and animals. Life on Earth began in the oceans. The first organisms were simple, single-celled creatures that lived in the water. Over millions of years, these organisms evolved and diversified, eventually giving rise to all life on Earth, including humans. Oceans are essential for regulating the Earth's climate. They absorb heat from the sun and distribute it around the globe. Oceans also help to control the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. The oceans are a vital source of food for humans. Fish, shellfish, and seaweed are just a few of the many types of food that come from the ocean. Oceans also provide us with resources such as oil, gas, and minerals. Section 5. Life in the Deep, a World of Wonders. The oceans are teeming with life, from the sunlit surface waters to the dark, deep ocean trenches. Coral reefs are one of the most diverse ecosystems on Earth. They are home to a dazzling array of colorful fish, corals, and other marine life. The deep ocean is a cold, dark, and high-pressure environment. Despite these challenging conditions, life thrives in the deep. Strange and wonderful creatures such as anglerfish, giant squid, and tube worms have adapted to survive. Section 6. Land of Extremes, Diverse Ecosystems of Continents. Continents are home to an incredible diversity of life. From lush rainforests to scorching deserts, each continent has unique ecosystems and species. These ecosystems are influenced by climate, altitude, and soil type. Rainforests, found in tropical regions, are home to over half of the world's species. Deserts with little rainfall host a surprising variety of life. Grasslands in temperate regions support grazing animals like bison and zebras. Tundra, a cold biome, is home to reindeer, caribou, and polar bears. Section 7. Curious continents, fun facts. Asia is the largest continent by landmass and population. It is home to the highest mountain in the world, Mount Everest, and the deepest lake, Lake Baikal. Africa is the second largest continent and is home to the world's largest hot desert, the Sahara Desert. Africa is also known for its diverse wildlife, including lions, elephants, giraffes, and gorillas. North America is the third largest continent and is home to a wide range of climates and ecosystems, from the Arctic tundra to the tropical rainforests of Central America. South America is the fourth largest continent and is home to the Amazon rainforest, the largest rainforest in the world. South America is also known for its Andes Mountains, the longest continental mountain range. Antarctica is the coldest, windiest, and driest continent. It is covered in ice and snow and is home to penguins, seals, and whales. Section 8. Oceanic mysteries, unveiling the unknown. The oceans are full of mysteries. Despite covering most of our planet, we have explored only a tiny fraction of the ocean depths. New species are discovered all the time, and there is still much we don't know about the ocean's role in regulating the Earth's climate. The Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the ocean, is home to creatures that have adapted to survive in crushing pressure and complete darkness. These creatures often have unusual adaptations, such as bioluminescence, the ability to produce their own light. Hydrothermal vents are underwater hot springs that release chemicals from the Earth's interior. These vents support unique ecosystems that rely on chemosynthesis, a process where bacteria convert chemicals into energy rather than sunlight. The ocean plays a crucial role in absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. However, as the ocean absorbs more carbon dioxide, it becomes more acidic. This ocean acidification can have harmful effects on marine life, particularly shellfish and corals. Scientists are constantly working to learn more about the ocean. They use submersibles, remotely operated vehicles, and other advanced technologies to explore the deep sea and study the ocean's currents, chemistry, and biology. Section 9. The importance of exploration and understanding. Exploring and understanding the Earth's oceans and continents is crucial for our future. The oceans provide us with food, resources, and regulate our climate. The continents are home to a vast diversity of life and provide us with the resources we need to survive. By studying the oceans and continents, we can learn more about how our planet works and how to protect it. We can also learn about the history of life on Earth and the challenges facing our planet today. It is important to remember that the Earth is a finite system. The resources we rely on are not unlimited. By understanding the Earth's systems, we can learn to use resources sustainably and protect our planet for future generations. We all have a role to play in protecting our planet. By reducing our impact on the environment, supporting conservation efforts, and educating others about the importance of environmental stewardship, we can help to ensure a healthy and vibrant planet for generations to come. Section 10. Our shared future on Earth. The Earth is our only home. It is a precious and fragile planet that we must cherish and protect. By understanding the interconnectedness of all living things and the delicate balance of our planet's systems, we can make informed decisions that will ensure a sustainable future for all. As we continue to explore the wonders of our planet, let us do so with respect and a sense of responsibility. Let us use our knowledge to protect the Earth's biodiversity, conserve its resources, and mitigate the impacts of climate change. The future of our planet depends on our actions today. Let us work together to create a world where humans and nature can thrive in harmony for generations to come. Let us remember that we are all part of something much larger than ourselves. We are all connected to the Earth and to each other. Our actions have consequences, and it is up to us to create a future that is both sustainable and just.